Hey everybody, here today with the 2004 Saab 9.3. I had a right rear brake light go out, so I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to replace any of the 5 lights that you see here. So that's your rear fog light, your backup light, your tail light, to the right of that your brake light, and then in this clear lens is an amber bulb for your rear blinker light. All 5 of these lights can be replaced with a size 7506 bulb, just like this one. The only exception being is that the rear blinker light needs to be an amber bulb instead of a clear one, since it's in the clear lens. Okay, so to replace either your tail light, your blinker light, or your brake light, it's very quick and easy. All you have to do is come over to here, inside your trunk, and pull out this little door. So it just pops right out of there, nice and quick. And then if you look back in here, then you'll see the sockets for all 3 bulbs. There's this little gray clip here. You'll push up on that, and then the whole thing will just come right out. So with this out of there, you would just unscrew any bulb that you want to replace. So I'm going to take out this one because it's my brake light, which is out. And then you just put in your new bulb. And then to replace it, so brake on the outside, tail light on the inside, and then the blinker on the bottom. You would just stick it back in to the appropriate holes. And you get here, just click in there, back into that little clip. And of course, just shut this and snap it in. So if your rear fog light or your backup lights are out, it's a very similar process. So you would come up and you would lift back this panel that covers up the inside of your trunk. I am missing a bunch of these, but it would be something like this. There's this little pin. Originally, each of these holes had one of those, so if your car still has those, you'd have to remove those and then replace them at the end to pull this back. But once you do that, you just pull this back, and then that's where that light will be. Alright, so to get this socket out, you just push back towards you on this little black clip. That'll pull that whole thing right out of there. And then you just unscrew these bulbs the same way, same size as before. And when you're done, just replace it, and it'll lock into place like that.
There you have it. That's how you replace your taillights on a 2004 Saab 9.3. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.